So would you like to try? Who want to try? Okay, I will do it. First of all, sample space. You need a sample space. What will be the sample space? What what can it be? At the most, either mother, father, because there are three, no, three possibilities, isn't it? So we don't know what is that. Second, because mother, father, son, three, all the six, you'll get the sample space. Okay. So what it will be? Mother, son, father. I'll write here. Father, mother, son, father, son, mother, son, mother, father, or son, father, mother. These are the all possibilities. We know when there are three elements, we can make at the most six possibilities. Now, out of this, we are having two. Two has been given. One is if the sun event is sun is on one end. So, what is the total probability? Now, what is the probability of E when sun is on one end? One end means here it is one end, one time. Where is sun? Sun is here at the one end. Sun is at the one end. Sun is at the one end. So, I underline rather than writing. I am underlining it to make it simpler. So, what it is going to be? It is going to be 4 upon what? 6, isn't it? Okay. What about probability of F? F is what? Father is in the middle, isn't it? What's again? Father is in the middle. Okay. Now for father in the middle, I'm putting a cross rather than writing it again and again. Father, father is in the middle. So this is father is in the middle. And here father is, we are having only two possibilities, isn't it? Father is in the middle. So I can write 2 upon 6. What about probability of E intersection F? Now where you get the two signs at a time can be written as 2 upon 6. Is it okay? Now, first of all, judge whether it is an independent event or not. Actually, it is a conditional. Probability is a conditional. What they said, mother, father, son is in the at the end when father is already in the middle. Now this is a conditional in probability, isn't it? This is what they're saying. So what we will be finding out now, of course, question itself says this is what we are looking for, isn't it? Any doubt you can ask me. I think so everything is clear to all of you. Now simplify and let me know the answer. I want to know the answer. It's very simple. Only thing was critical, you should know the sample space and the probabilities of the events and the intersection point. This is the main point which you should know well. If you can define them, then things are very simple. Only you have to understand the meaning of the question and what events has been defined, how to find their probabilities, and then at the end you have to simply apply the formula. Now this is also 1 by 3, this is also 1 by 3, that division will be 1, no need to carry out any further division, answer will be 1. Okay, probability when the sun is at the end, one of the end, and father is in the middle is this. I hope you understood. Any doubt, please? You can ask your question. Any doubt? Is it okay to everyone? Please, you should respond, What happens when I shift to the second question, you ask your doubt. Before removing, before clearing my whiteboard, I want to know if anyone has any doubt, please raise your hand or ask in the chat box. I hope it is clear to everyone. Shall we go for the next 10? Is it clear? Very simple, very clear cut. If concept is clear, if you can find out the sample space, if you can find out the probabilities with respect to sample space, then you can find it out easily. Okay, I'm expecting everyone is getting it. Okay, let's go for the next question. A black and a red dice are rolled. So there are two conditions. There are two questions rather, we should say. Find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9, given that the black die resulted in a 5. Okay, so on the black die, you will be getting 5 only, but the sum will be 9. Okay, this is the question. Okay, how? First of all, you have to define it. When two dice are rolled, we know the sample space is nothing. For E, how you'll be writing? Let's see. Now we know sample space very easily. When two dice are rolled, sample space is nothing but 36 only. Not a problem. Now this says E is an event. What event they said? Greater than 9. Provided black die has 5. Now this is a condition, okay? We are having two die. One is black in color. Second die is what it is, red in color. Okay. So it is simple two color die, but they all are having 6 numbers. Now event E is what? What we can write? We can write, we are looking for greater than 9. Greater than 9. E is what? Greater than 9. Greater than 9. So greater than 9 can be 6,4 because it is sum is 10. Okay. You can write reverse of it, not a problem. Then 5,5 is also giving us 10. Then 5,6 is giving us 11. They said not 9, greater than 9. So we will not consider 9 at all. Okay. Here students makes difference, mistakes, It's strictly greater than. Okay. So I can write here 6, 5. And what else can be? What is left? What is left? Okay, 6, 6, 12. So this is the probability of event E when we set the sum must be greater than 9. These are the all maximum possibilities. What about F? They said 5 must be there on one of the die, isn't it? On 5 black die. On the black die, 5 must be resulting. So I've written here black first. It's okay. Yes, now I'm okay, but still my sound you might be considering a bit different, but it's okay because I cannot speak in a fluency now, right now. Okay. So, yeah, sure. I'm taking care. Thank you. Now, what said black die must be having 5. So, okay, not a problem. I will take 5, 1, 5, 2. Only condition black must be having 5 now. So all the 6 I'll be getting. Okay, I'm writing here in this manner so that we can see what is common. Okay, this is event F. Okay. Now these are the two, the intersection. Now everything has become simpler. Only this was the critical point, should be known to every student. If you are able to define or find out this part, rest all is very simple. You know how to find the probability, isn't it? First of all, let us see what is the intersection part. What is the intersection part is 5, 5. Okay, I'm putting cross so that instead of writing, I'll be directly taking it. 5, 6. Okay, 5, 6. These are the common things which I am taking. Okay. 6, 5 is there? No, no. Only 2 are there? Nothing is common, no? I think so. I can see only 2. Okay. So if I write the probability rather than wasting our time, what I can write here? 2 by 36, isn't it? Okay. What about probability of E? It's very, very simple. This is the main thing you should get embedded in your mind. Okay. Then rest things are very simple. How many elements are there? 6. 6 upon 36. What about F? How many elements are there? 6. 6 upon 36. Now, what was our question? Find the probability when sum is greater than 9 provided on red die, on the black die there is 5 on it, facing 5. Okay, this is what was our question. Now it has become simpler. We know what to do. So this much was the critical things. If you are well versed with this much part, rest all just a small calculation, nothing more than that. Can be done of its own. Okay, now this is the calculation part. I want to know from you people, what is the answer? Question was looking a big, such a big giant question, as if it's very difficult. But if you see it carefully, if you read it carefully, if you are able to interpret it, you'll be able to find the answer very soon. Now again, intersection part and these two parts are same. And if we divide them, what answer you are getting? 36, 36 will get cancelled. 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay. So these things, though I am writing in a length, but I want you to get embedded in a shortcut manner. Nothing was required actually. If MCQ would have been, this question would have been given as MCQ, nothing was required. You could have done, you could have written them. Mentally, you could have done it. Okay. So I hope this is okay. Shall we go for the next? Okay. Now, again, the next question is, a fair die is rolled. Consider event E is 1, 3, and 5. Is it clear? You can see, no? Okay. And F is equal to 2, 3, and G is equal to this. One coil has been rolled, one die has been rolled. 3 events they are.
Ma'am, it's very blurry. Unable to see it.
Acha, okay, it's Blair. I will take the picture and I will put. Acha, okay. Now, actually, I would have taken the picture of it. And is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
I will take the picture and show it. Just a minute, huh? Just a minute. I will take the picture and will show you people about it. You will definitely understand then. Huh? Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. So now I will go for the picture because you're finding it blur. I'll make it simpler for you people. Okay. Now is it clear? I hope it is okay, people. Now you can read it. Is it okay?
Yes, yes ma'am.
Now
It's
it is
okay,
not a blur.
ma'am. It's
Ask me
great.
what is the meaning of fair die. You know what happens if I want to cheat you, I can put a 3 on 2 faces. Na? It's my wish if I want to cheat you. So we say fair die means no cheating. Each face has different numbers. That is why we call it a fair coin. Okay. You know, we say fair coin, fair die. Because in coin also, if you are, I want to cheat, I can put tail or both the side. We can make one coin such a way So there are two tails, both the sides. It won't work. No? The head will never occur. Okay. So that is why they in the question they have to write fair die or fair coin. It is mandatory. Even in well shuffled pack, this is some statement they put. Okay. Okay. I want you. There are 5 questions, 3 questions rather. First question is probability of E when F has already been occurred, and probability of F when E has already been occurred. It's very simple question because you can do it of your own, and I want you all to do it of your own. You can do. So would you like to do of your own this question? Very simple. It's a basic question. Just now we did, isn't it? You have to find. You are having E, F, G. Take it as a homework. If you find it difficult, tomorrow we will discuss this once again. Not a problem. Shall I go for the next question? I'll take photograph of that also because you are finding it bit blurred now. I'll take the photograph of that picture as well, so that it will be simpler for you people to continue. Otherwise, okay. Now I'm changing the screen, okay? Because this has been done. Let us go for the next. I'm going to give you the second one, okay? Now this is the second page, okay? I hope you can see it. If it is blurred, I will take the picture once again. I hope it is clear. Assume that each child born, it's blurred, na? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will cancel it and do picture once again. This is rather better, you know.
Ma'am, there is no need of taking a picture. You can
It's
also
okay.
use your camera phone by sharing a screen.
Of course, this is what I've written it already on my page. I'm taking the picture. Okay, okay. Just see. Okay, next question. Assume that each child born is equally likely to be boy. Now, what is the meaning of equally likely? Just now you asked me that question, why they've written fair. Here also they have written equally likely. The child born is either boy or boy have equal chance. Boy can, it can be boy and that child can be a girl. That is why they write equally likely. They get the equal chance. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
screen is not visible.
screen is not visible. Okay, sometimes, because of this network problem, it happens. Is it okay now? Is it okay? Screen can be seen or not? No, not. Okay, what to do? What to do? Shall I log out and log in once again? Sometimes I have to do that because of the network problem. Okay, I will again take the picture then. That is rather better. I'm trying. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. I'll be sharing it. Is it okay now? Now I think so much clear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's clearer than before. Yes. Now question is, assume that each child born is equally likely to be boy or a girl. If a family has 2 children, what is the conditional probability that both are girls given that? Now there are 2 conditions. First of all, I want you people to tell me sample space. Just I am looking for the sample space from you people. Please write in the chat box. Only sample space. This is the important part which should be known to everyone. Then we will decide what we can do next. Okay. So please, anyone? Of course, I will tell you people, but I want to know. Shall I say? Okay, I'll tell. Sample slip space will be boy boy, comma boy girl, comma girl boy, comma girl girl. Okay, there are 4 elements in the sample space. Okay, the question is the youngest is a girl. Youngest means small. Hana? The second element must be what B, na? So what E will be done? Youngest will be girl. Someone has written, okay, I'll check it. Someone has given me answer. I would like to check it. Yes, like a coin, definitely. Yes, you're right. Okay. So can you tell me what is the event E? What event E they are saying? They're talking about? Event E is the girl, younger girl is the youngest girl. Both the children are girls. E is what? For them, both are girls. Probability of E is what? Both are girls. Okay, both girls. We are having only one element, na? GG. Okay. What is second part? F is defined as what? Come on. What they said F as? You have to define, na? You have to define. Both the girl. F is what then? This is the main question. Huh? If you are able to answer, then of course I will answer, but I expect something from you people also. I'm looking from you people if you can answer me. No one is answering. Okay, not a problem. I will do it then. Both children are girl is GG. The youngest is the girl, first one. The youngest F, now I'm defining F. E was which probability we are looking for. Okay. E is what the probability we are looking for. As in the question is given, what is the conditional probability that both are girls given that F, there are 2 Fs. First is the youngest is girl, है ना? The youngest is girl means what? How many? What I can write here? BG and GG. Okay. सबसे छोटी लड़की होनी चाहिए ना? This is what they are asking us. Okay. Okay. Now, so what answer you'll be giving me? Come on. I gave you F. F I've defined as BG and GG. Now tell me the conditional probability then. Okay, I will change it so that you can see my screen. Okay, come on. Okay, this is what we are looking for, Hannah. This is what probability we have to find out, provided for the first, they said the youngest is a girl, means I can write second child will be this girl, that is BG and GG. So what are the probabilities? Okay, let me know what are the probability. Probability of E will be what? 1 upon 4. Probability of F will be what? 2 upon 4. Probability of E intersection F will be what? Is there anything common? Yes, there is one common. No? Here, we can see one is common. 1 upon 4. Simply find out probability of E when the youngest is girl, when the youngest is girl. Both are girl
The screen
when
is
the
properly
youngest.
visible.
Is it okay? You can do? Simple, na? Still it is not visible. Okay, it's very problematic today. What happened? I don't know. Hmm. Shall I log out and log in once again?
I tried 2 times. Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Now it is visible.
it's visible, no? Okay. Good, sir. Okay, shall I continue? Now I want second part. Will you please solve it?
Can you repeat from first, ma'am? This first example.
Yes, of course, definitely. I will repeat it once again. Now, question, I would like to see the question because everything is high in the question. What is there? If a family has two children, what is the probability, conditional probability, that both are girls? So I define this as E, both are girls. This is my sample space. Okay, girl, girl. And they said both are girl given that the second condition which has already been happened is the youngest is a girl.
Ma'am, it's your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Dokara is cannot, others can see it or not. Please let me know. I want to know from
No,
others.
ma'am. It is not visible.
No one can see, no one can see a what?
Yes, ma'am.
Myself, I'm logging. Okay, stay there only. I'm logging out and I will join it again. Okay. I'll leave and join it again. Okay. Just a minute.
It's visible now.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, it's visible now. It's visible now.
It's visible. Okay,
You
okay.
can see.
Okay, okay. I think so because of network, it is troubling us a lot. Hello? Okay. Is it okay now? You understood what does it mean? This is very important concept. You know, once with small questions, if you can understand the concept properly,
I'm not
then we
understanding
can
this
go for
question.
the critical and level two questions. Okay, then we can join level two questions. I have not yet taken any level two question. I'm taking only level one question. To make
Ma'am,
it
again it's
clear.
gone. Again screen is not visible.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. Uh, Today, when you say no screen is not there, even I can see something in my. You people are taking shots, screenshot or what? As if you people are taking screenshot.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I can see here. It is visible that someone is taking a screenshot. Okay, is still it has come appeared or not?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Not appeared. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. I will do it once again. Is it okay now? I hope it is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. I logged out and logged in again so that troubles will go away. Okay, now it's okay. So this was the first part. What is the answer? I want to know the answer then
Ma'am,
from
can
you.
you explain it again?
Of course, once again, I will explain it. Now in question, they said there are two child, and they said probability that the both are girls. Now, what are the condition? First of all, sample space. Two child, there are possibilities both are boys. है one boy, one girl. Youngest one is girl here. Eldest is boy. One girl, one boy. The eldest is girl. Youngest is boy. Both are girls. Girl, girl. Okay. Now in the question, they ask the conditional probability. If it would have been simple question, then we can say, okay, this is answer. Now, what this said, find the conditional probability that both are girls given that. Now, given that means condition. Condition, the youngest is the girl. Okay. Now, he thought we defined both are girls. Okay, Gigi, done. But what about second part? The youngest is a girl. When I say the youngest is a girl, means choti ladki na. That so I'll be taking these two conditions. So I defined this definition, this F and E. This is the most important thing. This is the interpretation you should go through the correct manner. Okay. The youngest is girl, that is boy girl and girl girl. This is what sample space. This is the probability for F will be there. How many elements are there? 2. Total is what? 4. 2 by 4. What about probability of E? How many elements are there? Just 1. 1 upon 4. Now intersection. What is common between these two? GG is common. So I'm writing 1 upon 4. What is the formula for the conditional probability is? Probability of E when F has already been happened is equal to probability of E intersection F, the whole upon probability of F. Okay. Okay. This is F. Very bad handwriting. Okay. So what shall I write? 1 by 4, the whole upon. I will cancel it out. Hello. So 1 by 2. So what answer you are getting? It will be 2 by 4 na? 1 by 2. This is the answer. Actually, you know na, how we do this. Yes, you can ask your question. See, I'm writing here. A by
Yes,
B upon C by D can be written as A into D upon D into C. Sometimes people, they are really finding it difficult to in fractions how to simplify it. Isn't okay? So you should know.
Can you show the complete board?
Okay, you can see the complete board. Is it okay? Can be seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take the pic. Now, second question I'm expecting from you people, just give a 30-second. Take a little effort and find the answer. Of course, I will find the answer. I'll give the answer. At least one is girl. Now, F has been defined as at least one is a girl. How you will be defining F? E has been defined already. No need to redefine E at all. You have to go for F only. When you say at least one is a girl, then what will be the F? I want to know only that much. Rest all you can do of your own. This is the important part. At least one is a girl. So I'm writing here now. F I am changing because I want to change it. So I'm changing simply F here. At least, at least, at least. Now it is at least one is a girl. Okay, at least one is a girl leaving this, rest all are girls. One is girl there now. So I can write here. What a simple thing, isn't it? Nothing need to change. This will remain as it is. Here it will be what now? It is going to be 3 by 4. What about this? How many are common? Still only one is common by chance. Again, simplify and tell me the answer. Again, you have to simplify and tell me the answer. Now, intersection, what we said, 1 by 4. This is 3 by 4. Answer is nothing but 1 by 3. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Concept, if concept is clear, then you can do second time. I will ask you at least 30 seconds. You must put little effort to solve yourself. If you're not able to, of course I'm there to solve it. And instructor, shall I go for the page? Okay, I'll go for the page. Here you cannot see now. I'll go for the page. Don't worry, don't take much time. It takes very little time. Okay, second question I'm asking. Okay. An instructor has a question bank consisting 300 easy true and false questions, 200. Good. If you are enjoying, really, I'm happy if you are enjoying, okay? An instructor has a question bank consisting 300 easy true and false questions, 200 difficult true and false questions, 500 easy multiple choice questions. And please don't write on the board. Come on. You're not kids, okay? You are a grown-up people. Come on. Hmm? Okay. So now I can see the name who is writing, okay? 500 easy multiple choice questions and 400 difficult multiple choice questions. So find out, okay, tell me. Come on. 30 seconds. I'll give just 30 seconds. Try your best. Let it be wrong. And then I will solve. I'll just wait for 30, not 30 seconds also. I'll wait only 20 seconds. Anyone have answered? It seems no one have answered. Okay. So I'm going to solve it then. Okay. So I'm going to solve it. So first of all, how many total questions are there? Sample space you need, na? What is the sample space? First of all, event E. Event E, what do you want to define? Okay. Total sample space. First of all, sample space. How many total questions are there? 300 easy, true and false, and 200 difficult true and false, and 500 easy MCQ, and 400 difficult MCQ. Okay. So what is the total over here? Total will be 14. Now this is our sample space. You have to define two events. First of all, E event. How you'll be defining? This is most important. What E must be? The event that selected question is easy. The selected question is easy. Because in question what they have asked, question was, find if the question selected at random from the test bank, what is the probability that it will be easy question? Now, easy question. Provided, then second choice, F. How you'll be defining F then? F is what? It is a multiple choice question, okay? It's an event selected question. Well done. Right answer. Who has given the answer? Yes, absolutely right. Well done. I want to see who has answered the question. Very nice. It's 5 by 9. Parth has given a right answer. 5 by 9 is the right answer. It is intersection rather, I should say, but yes, it is the right answer. Absolutely right. Parth, it is right. Okay. So rest all who couldn't solve, please see here. Now the selected question is MCQ. What is probability of E then? Easy, selected question easy. How many are easy questions? There are 200, 300 easy, true and false. And how many are there? 500. Easy कितने थे? 300 easy. 300 easy and 500 easy multiple questions, है ना? Upon 1400. What is probability of F? MCQ, है ना? Only MCQ. So how many MCQ were there? 500 plus 400. 500 easy wale, 400 is difficult wale MCQ upon 1400. This was important. If you know how to get this value, Rest all is very simple. Na? Okay, intersection. What about intersection? That is very important. E intersection F. Okay. What is E intersection F? Easy भी होना चाहिए और MCQ भी होना चाहिए. This is what is simple. Na? This is easy MCQ. And this is also easy MCQ. So this is common, na? So I can write here as a common. Okay. Now I hope everything is clear to you all. It's not at all difficult. So let us see what I can write here is 800 upon 1400. And here I can write is 900 upon 1400. And we are looking for the conditional probability of E when F has already been occurred. Is I am writing it again and again. You also make it a habit when you're learning something new, write the things again and again so that it will become simpler. It will get embedded in your brain. 500 upon 14 upon 900 upon 1400, it is getting cancelled. So answer is 5 upon 9. Is it okay? Never rush for cancellation. Some people might have tried to cancel it. Never rush for cancellation. See if it is required, then only go for cancellation. Otherwise, leave it as it is. Later on, we'll come to know whether it is required or not. I hope it is okay to everyone. Shall I go for the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let's go for the next question. Okay, given that the two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different, what does it mean? The statement is very important. It means no doublet. No doublet means what? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Find the probability of event that the sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. Sum must be 4. Very simple. Try just 30 seconds by the time I will start solving here. Try. Of course, I will be solving before
Ma'am, can you show
I
the
finish.
question?
Oh, sure, sure, sure. मैं पिक्चर पे चले जाऊंगा एक मिनट. You take the photograph ना पिक्चर का. एक मिनट, just a minute. मैं वहाँ पे जाती हूँ. I will share it with you so that you can see it. Okay? Just have a look. Okay? Just take 30 seconds and let me know the answer. It's very simple. Only thing is you should know what does E mean, what does F mean, how to define them, how to find their probabilities. That much is important. Rest all you can do. Okay. So by the time I'm waiting for you people, okay? No? Shall I try? Okay, I will try. Now, what is the probability of E? Okay, I'm changing. I'm changing it. Sorry. I am changing it. Okay. What happened? Okay. So what is the probability of E? How you'll be defining E? E is a set in which the sum is 4. It's your wish. You can tell it F. Not a problem, huh? You don't think I've taken this as E. You cannot take it. It's your wish. Sample space we know. No, it is wrong. It is wrong. Okay, I'll do it. Not a problem. Okay, sample space is what? 36. Very simple. Let us first define what is E. No. It is 1 by 15. Okay, I'll do. See, what is E? E is a set sum. I'll say sum is 4. Okay, sum is 4. So how you'll be getting sum 4? 2 dice. Definitely 1, 3 and 3, 1 and 2, 2. Nothing more than that. So probability of E can be written as 3 by 36. Am I right? Is it
मैम
okay?
टू कैसे होगा मैम? उन्होंने
2
डिफरेंट
plus
नंबर
2,
बोला
4
मैम.
na? Are,
डिफरेंट
there
नंबर.
are, no, okay, okay. See, I'm taking here now, different number. Different number means there are, इसको छोड़ दे, 1, 1, 2, 2, मतलब 6 को छोड़ दे, 36 minus 6 is 30. Because how many are different, same number? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. I want to cut them. Total I was having 36. Out of that, I have removed them. So F, no need to write. Removing them, you are getting only 30. 1 by 15 is the right answer, Dolas. Yes, right answer. Is it okay? What you said, absolutely right. But I defined it as a F. You defined it as a E. It's okay. I told you. It's your wish. You can take whatever you feel like. E as this or F as this. I have defined E as a sum 4 and F as different numbers. When I say different numbers, it means I'm talking about 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 should not be there. Remove them from the total. Total was 36. We removed it rather than displaying it. It's better to write in this manner. Okay, now let's see what is the probability of F. Okay, F is what? Definitely F is what? 30 upon 36. Now what about intersection? This is important part, hai na? E intersection F. Now here only this much part is not there, na? Rest all are there. So this will be there, this will be there, this will not be there because it is same. So intersection will be 2 upon 36, isn't it? Is it clear? Was bit critical question. It need a lot of understanding. It need a lot of
Ma'am, how you considered E as that and F as that?
Okay, I will say F as that. Yes, this it's my wish, na. It's my wish. What I want to consider. Then I will write it ulta, na. Suppose it's your wish. Okay, if I said this is F and this is E, then I will say F when E has already been occurred. If I said this is E and this is F, then I will be writing E when F has already been occurred. Does it make any difference? It won't make any difference. The question is what they have asked, what should come first and what must have happened beforehand. So it is entirely one's own wish what he want to define. Accordingly, I can change the condition. Na?
Ma'am, means we have to find probability of getting some 4.
Ha. I am looking for probability of getting 4 when event F has already been happened, means no similar question traces are there. This is what they are saying.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, very good question. Na? Hai na? Of course, it is a critical question. You found it a bit difficult, but very interesting. See, read it again. Of course, given that the two numbers appearing on throwing 2 dice are different, find the probability of event, the sum of the numbers on the, I am saying the find the probability number is 4. I am looking for probability sum 4. Okay, this is my main concept. What happened? Already have happened that doubles are not there. Got it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it's not a question what I am considering E and what I am considering F. This is not a question at all. Question is what they have asked us to find out. They have asked us to find out event sum is 4. This is what they have asked us. So you can tell, okay, my mind F, this number is F and this is E. I don't mind. I can say AB, I can say PQ, not a problem. But when you define, you should know what they have asked you to, for this will come first. This will come second. This is the main question. What will come first? What will come second? Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So what is the answer? We did not get the answer. We are looking for answer yet. Answer hasn't been. So our question was probability of E when F has already been occurred is probability of E intersection F upon probability of F. So see, I have not cancelled anything because no need to go for cancellation. It's not required. It's simply a waste of time. It is getting cancelled. So your answer is 1 upon 15. Is it okay to everyone? See, you have noticed, have you noticed every time we find, okay, simple, we can do next question. The next question again comes as a challenge because still yet we need to learn how to interpret the question. That is important part rather than solving. Interpretation is very important part. Okay. Again, I will going for the question. Just यहाँ से पढ़ने में you find it difficult, so I will share it through my photos, so you'll find it simpler. Let's go for the next question. Question is, consider the experiment of throwing a die. If a multiple of 3 comes up, throw the die again, and if any other number comes up. What does it mean? First of all, what is the meaning of this statement? If they said twice 3 comes now, multiple of 3, multiple of 3 means 6 will come. Only 6 is multiple, na? Yes, in die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 3 and 6. 6 is the multiple of 3. So in the question they said, consider the experiment of throwing a die. If a multiple of 3 comes up, throw the die again. It means if you see 6 upper phase, throw again. And if other number comes, toss a coin. If other than 6 comes, then toss the coin. So if you toss the coin, you might be getting head or the tail. So what is the sample space? Now tell me, what is the sample space? This is the important part. Second question, let us interpret it completely, okay? Find the conditional probability of the event. The coin shows a tail. Now event E will be showing a tail. This is what we are looking for, okay? Now E will be what? How you'll be defining first event as showing a tail. F will be defined as at least one die shows 3. At least one die shows a 3. Now you can do, okay? Now you understood. Try to solve and let me know the answer. Of course, I will solve it on my whiteboard. Now things have become simpler, isn't it? Once you interpret it properly, you know how to answer it, okay? So shall I start? You also continue with yours. First of all, we want to know. Okay. So what is sample space, first of all? Sample space is very important thing which we need to know. From here only it starts. First of all, event was showing multiple of 6. Okay, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. I'm writing in this manner because span will be more. 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 6, 1, I'm looking for, why I'm writing this? Because I am looking for the multiple of 6. So sample space will be what? Multiple time. We are throwing it second time. If 6 comes, then we will throw again die. That is why I've written this. Okay. Okay. And what here? 6 2, 6 3, and 6 4, and 6 5, and 6 6. 20, 20. Suppose if multiple comes, here multiple has come, here multiple has come. Then he has to throw die also, na? Coin also. So how you'll be getting? 1 head, 2 head, 3 head, 1 head, sorry, 3 head नहीं, 3 तो चाहिए नहीं ना, 3 तो we cannot take. 1 head, 1 tail. First of all, दोनों साथ में लिख देते, नहीं तो बाद में भूल जाएंगे, we'll forget it. 1 head, 1 tail, 2 head, 2 tail, 4 head, 4 head, 4 tail, and 5 head, and 5 tail. Okay. So the sample space of experiment will be 20. Read the question. It's a bit difficult level, definitely. I can understand. Okay. So this is the sample space. Now event E is what? Event E is, I said event E defined as showing a tail, na? Showing the tail means what all you'll be considering in E. This one, this one, this one, and this one. This is event E. Okay. Showing tail is only these 4 events. Okay. What about F? What they said F, how you'll be writing F? F they says 3 1, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 6 3. Okay. How many are there? Now time is up. Okay, tomorrow again we will discuss the same question. I have to leave. So I'm leaving now. Of course, we will continue with this only. We will continue with this only. So I'm leaving the meeting. Yes, something else. What has been asked? I didn't see. Someone is asking something. I don't know. Why it's not getting end?
का लेक्चर चल रहा है पूछो। आशा मैडम, आशा मैम ने शायद स्टॉप कर दिए। हाँ स्टॉप किया है शायद। बंद कर दो। पार्टिसिपेंट 2 ही दिख रहे इसमें तो। बंद करो बंद करो। एंड करू सर। एंड करो चलेगा।
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीशी बोलत आहात
वालेकुम जुनैद भाई। हाँ बोलो ना। किधर है? हाँ जरा बाहर आ जा बैंक में। वो एंड मीटिंग करने का था आशा मैम का। आशा मैम को एंड नहीं करने आता। एंड नहीं करना आता? नहीं आता। ठीक है कर दो ना। वो बना कर। हाँ वो मीटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे ना, दूसरी मीटिंग स्टार्ट। ये मीटिंग ऑटोमेटिक एंड हो जाएगी। ठीक है हो जाएगा, लेकिन मैं फॉरवर्ड बन जाओगे क्या? हाँ बन जाओगे बन जाएंगे।